Ready to unlock the full potential of your Gross rewards by linking it to your Phantom wallet? Let's get started. First, make sure you have both the Gross extension installed in your browser and the Phantom wallet set up and ready to go. You should see a notification on your Gross extension prompting you to connect. Click on that notification. It usually says something like Connect Wallet or Link Now. This will redirect you to the Gross dashboard. On the dashboard, look for a button labeled something like Connect Wallet, Link Phantom, or similar. It might be near your profile information or in the settings section. Click on that button. This will trigger a pop-up window from your Phantom wallet asking for permission to connect to the Gross network. Review the permissions carefully. It's usually a request to view your public key, which Gross needs to associate your account. If you're comfortable with the permissions, click Connect or Approve within the Phantom wallet. This authorizes the connection between your Gross account and your wallet. The Gross dashboard should now update to show that your Phantom wallet is connected, often displaying your wallet address. And that's it. You've successfully linked your Gross account to your Phantom wallet. Now you can start managing your earned tokens and participating in the Gross network with ease.